My dear students, welcome in today's class. Myself, Aparna Ravindra Shinde from MPS Charkop Sector 2 School welcomes you in today's topic. Dear students, today we will learn the topic from the subject Play, Do and Learn. And I know today's topic is everyone's favorite topic, that is drawing. Yes, today we will learn how to draw a drawing. Students, to draw any drawing, basic shapes are required. These are some basic shapes, and these basic shapes are made up with basic lines. So today we will learn about some basic lines. Afterwards, we will move forward to draw our drawing. See students, these are some basic lines. Okay, this is the vertical line. This is the horizontal line. These both are slanting lines, but they are facing toward opposite direction. This is the curve line. This is also a curve line, but this is called as right curve, and this is called as left curve. This is called as up curve, and this is called as down curve. So these all are curve shapes, but their directions are different. These are broken lines. These are wave lines. Wave lines is also called as rhythmic lines. These are zigzag lines. This line is formed with the help of slanting line only. These are circular lines. And these are intersecting lines. Intersecting lines mean what, students? Two lines meet at one point. See, these two lines are met in one point. This is called intersecting line, and these two lines are met at this point. That's why this is called as intersecting lines. And with the help of all these lines, we can form some shapes. See, these are some basic shapes. This is the rectangle, this is the square, this is the triangle, this is leaf shape made with the help of curve shape and a vertical shape. This is hexagon shape. This is the kite shape made with four slanting lines. This is circular shape made with curved lines. This is the cone shape. This is cylindrical shape. This is the star shape. This is flower shape. And this is the glass shape. All these shapes are made with the help of slanting line, vertical line, horizontal line, okay, curved line. So these are all basic shapes. So students, can you tell me which shape is this? Purvi? Purvi beta,
Yes,
which shape is this? Can you tell me? Can you see here on the screen?
rectangle.
No, no, see here, I am showing you. Where the my finger is there, see that pointer. Which shape is this? Kite shape. Okay. Which
Yes,
shape is this?
kite shape.
Below
Star.
that, star
This
shape.
shape. Star shape.
Now which shape is this?
Kite shape.
Flower
Flower
shape.
shape.
Okay. Now
Shape.
which shape is this?
Cone.
Cone
Shape.
shape. Very good. Very nice answers you have given. Clap yourself. Very good. Now we will move forward. See students. Now we will go at Aisha's home. Today her mother is teaching her a new topic. So let's join them. Aisha, did you know shapes are created by connecting lines? There are different types of lines depending upon their position and shapes. Look at the lines. These are horizontal lines. These are vertical lines. These are slant lines. And all these lines are called as straight lines. We use them to create various shapes such as square, rectangle and triangle. See here students, we have used all this line here, okay, to form a square shape, to form a rectangle shape and to form a triangle shape. Here we have used slant line, here we have used horizontal line, here also we have used horizontal line and vertical line. Same as here also we have used horizontal line and vertical line. So these all lines helps us to form these shapes. Now these are curve shapes. We use these curve shapes to draw shape as circle and oval. Now see the alphabets. You can see the alphabets on the screen. The S, P and D. Now look at the alphabet S. It is made up of curved lines. See this alphabet. Can you see this alphabet? This alphabet is made up with curve shape. Now look at the alphabet P and D. Now see this alphabet P and D. They are made up with straight line and curved line. Same as D is also made with straight line and curved line. Now students, let us look at a few objects that are made up with lines. Now see here, you can see two objects on the screen. This is the plate and this is the mug. So the ring of the plate and mug are the examples of curved line. Now observe this shape of a leaf. It has curve shape as well as straight line. This leaf shape have the curve shape as well as straight line. We can also create any irregular shapes with the help of these lines. Here, we can create any irregular shape. Irregular shape means what, students? Any shape of your choice. It does not have any specific shape. Wow, it was so much fun learning with Aisha's mother. It was so much fun. Now students, let us see few more examples of this line. See here, the bark of the tree, the trunk of the tree and the pencil. These are in standing position. So vertical line is also known as standing line. So these are the examples of vertical lines. Okay. Now see your exercise book. Your exercise books have line in this way. And the zebra crossing lines on the road, they are also in horizontal way. So these are the examples of horizontal line, and horizontal lines is also called as sleeping lines. Now next we will see the mountain and the slide. These are the example of slanting lines. And dear students, when we use so much slanting line, it also becomes zigzag line. Urvi, switch off your mic. Don't talk in between, beta. Listen carefully. When we draw so much slanting line, it is also become zigzag lines. And these are the examples of slanting lines. And now see, in first slide we have seen that curve shape is used to draw a circle. So the ball and the sun are the examples of curve shape. Okay. Now we will move forwards to see more about these shapes. Now see students, here some animals are given and here their homes are given. Can you see? Which animal is this?
Horse.
Horse. This is?
Cow.
Cow. Very good. And this is?
Dog.
Dog. Very good. Now they want to go to their home. Okay. Their directions are given. The lines are drawn. They have to follow. Switch off your mic. Switch off your mics. Their direction are given. They want to go according to that direction to their home. Now see, horse will go like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and he will reach to his house. That is stable. Now cow will go like this, like this, like this, like this, and she will go to its shed. And now dog will go like this, and it will go to its kennel. So they have moved in the horizontal way. How they have moved? In the horizontal way. So this is also one example of horizontal lines. Now see here. Now these are animals and these are their young ones. Okay. Hen is there. Dog is there. and cat is there. The young one of hen is chick. The young one of dog is puppy. And the young one of cat is kitten. So these mothers want to meet their babies. So how will they will go? See, hen will come like this, like this, like this, like this, and she will meet to its baby. Dog will come like this, and it will make to its puppy. Same wise, cat will come also like this, and she will meet to its kitten. So they have come in vertical direction. See, this is the vertical direction. So this is also example of vertical lines. Now we will move forward. See, now this is the cat. Here this is the monkey and rabbit. Do you know what cat likes to drink? Cat likes to drink milk. And monkey likes to eat banana. And rabbit likes to eat carrot. So now cat wants to drink milk. So she will come like this and she will drink the milk. Banana monkey will come like this, and banana will eat. Monkey will eat banana, and rabbit will go in this direction, and rabbit will eat carrot. Okay, so these are the examples of slanting lines. Okay, just now we have seen horizontal line, vertical line, and slanting now line. Now we will see some more shapes. See it. I am a square. I am a square. I have four sides. I have four sides. This is the square. This has four sides. And this four side is made up with vertical lines and horizontal lines. Now students, we will meet the family of square. Come on, meet the family of square. See, this is the squares family. And how many members are there in squares family? This is dice. We play with these dice. This is blackboard. This is ice cube. This is window. This is bread slice. And this is the carom board. These all are squares family. Okay. Now we will move forward. I am a rectangle. I am a rectangle. I have four sides. I have four sides. But my two sides are equal. See, these two sides are equal. And these two sides are equal. Now let us make rectangles family. See, this is the rectangles family. Who is there in rectangles family? Mobile phone, chocolate. Do you like to eat chocolate? Yes. 10 rupees note. This is the bag. This is the TV. And this is the biscuit. These all are in rectangles family. Now we will look for the that who is there? Yes, triangle. I am a triangle. I am a triangle. I have sides. Please, students, switch off your mic. When you will give the answer at that time, switch on your mic. I am a triangle. I am a triangle. I have three sides. I have three sides. So, student, this is the triangle, and triangle has three sides. Now, let us see the family of triangle. This is the birthday cap. This is the ice cream cone. This is the cheese. This is mountain. This is nachos. And this is the sandwich. These all are in triangles family. Now let us move further, students. I am a circle. I am a circle. I have no sides. I have no sides. See, circle does not have any side. This is round in shape. Now let us see circles family also. So who is there in the circles family? Coin is there. Sun is there. Candy is there. Football is there. And pizza is there. Full moon is also there. So these all are the examples of circle. Okay. Now see students, this picture is of house. Can you see on the screen? What is this picture is of? House. And in this picture, all the shapes are given. All the basic lines are used to draw this picture. Purvi, can you see here on the screen? What is this?
Star.
Star. What is this?
Moon.
Moon. Yes. And how many stars are there? Can you see, Prashant? How many stars are there? 3 stars are there. And see here, in this picture, see, vertical lines are used. Here one square is used. Again, slanting line is also used to make a house. See, the curve shape is also used. Here also the curve shape is used. Okay. Here straight line is used. Here also curve shape is used. So all shapes are used to draw a picture. Now I will show you how to draw picture. Okay. This one, can you see a blackboard? Now I will show you how to draw a picture with the help of the basic shapes and basic lines. See, draw here one line. Okay. Again you have to draw here one line. Draw here one more line. And draw here one more line. See which shape is this? This is square shape. Now you have to draw
Square.
yes. Now see, draw here one line. Draw here one line. Draw here one line and draw. These are also called footing lines or vertical lines. Now here are two slanting lines. Slanting lines. Now we have to join this. Draw one more slanting line and here also one more slanting line. Draw here also one slanting line and draw here one more slanting line. Same wise here also we have to draw one slanting line and draw here one more slanting line. Okay. Now here we will draw a triangle. Draw here one more triangle. And draw here one triangle. Now tell me students, what is this? Which shape is this? This square shape. Which shape is this? Triangle. Yes. Now which shape is this? Circle. Yes. And this is the curve shape.
Cone.
Mummy.
मम्मी गोलीने पत्ते घेतले तर तिने घेतले ते सोड
Can you guess this picture, please? The picture कौन सा है? कौन सा पिक्चर है?
गणपति
यस,
गणपति
very good. Lord Ganesha's picture. Okay. At everyone's house, Lord Ganesha has came na, Vani?
yes
Yes. Everyone's house, Lord Ganesha has came. That's why we have drawn this picture of Lord Ganesha. Okay. Now we will draw here his friend. See, draw the semicircle and one line. Draw here two sweeping lines and draw here one triangle. Draw here one more triangle and give it tail. So can you see what is this? Which is this shape? Can you see?
Mushak
Yes. This is a friend of Ganesha. This is the picture of Lord Ganesha. Now we will color this picture. See here. Now I will color this picture with this chalk. Yes. You have to color properly. Okay. See here. While coloring, don't go out of the line. Color properly. Yes. Now we will make this picture colorful and beautiful. We will use another color here. See how beautiful it will look. Huh? Can you see the color, students? Can you see the color?
yes
Yes, very good. So you have to color this picture in proper way. Ah. Now we will use another color here. This is the trunk of the Ganpati. Okay. Same wise we will give this color here also. See, the picture is ready now. With the help of the basic shapes, we have drawn a picture of Lord Ganesha. Here we have drawn a vertical line. Then we have drawn a horizontal line and vertical line. Here we have drawn slanting line. This is also a slanting line. How many slanting lines are there? Now we will count. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 slanting lines are there. 2 circles are there. 3 triangles are there. 1 curve shape is there. And with the help of the basic lines and basic shapes, we have drawn our picture of Lord Ganesha. So at home, with the help of your parents, you have to draw the picture of Lord Ganesha. Okay? I will show this photo on your group. You have to draw this picture at home. Now we will move forward. Students, you like to play the game now? So we will play one game here now. See, it's a number game. Now we will color a butterfly. All of you like butterfly now?
Yes.
Yes. Now see, we will color one butterfly here. Okay. Now see, students, here some numbers are given and here on the screen also some numbers are given. So you have to select this one number and color here. Touch on one. See, touch here also and here also. Okay, now select the two number, purple color. Select here on two, select here also and select here also. Now select the three number. Where is three number? Here. Here also one three number is there. Here also. And two more three numbers. Now select the fourth number.
उनका वही दिख रहा है
हाँ.
वो नंबर नहीं दिख रहा है
Now see students, we will color a picture of butterfly. Okay. Can you see now butterfly on the screen?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now see some numbers are given here and some pictures are given here. So you have to select this number and click here. Now can you see students? Can you see the numbers now?
Yes.
Yes. Now select the second number and click on the two number. Okay. See, purple color. Now select the three number and click on the three. See, green color. Now select the fourth number, that is orange color, and click on the fourth. One more four is there here. Now click on the fifth number and select fifth number. Okay. Now click on the sixth number and click here. See, our colorful butterfly is ready. Do you like the butterfly, students?
Yes.
Yes, our colorful butterfly is ready now. Now let's go further. Now see what gift you will get. See, very nice butterfly we have colored. Now you will get one stamp. Yes. Now students, I will give you today's homework. Okay? See, these are the objects are given here and some shapes are given here. Now what is this? This is mobile phone. And which object is similar to that shape? See, this is the triangular shape. So this object is similar to this shape. Now what is this?
Ball.
Ball. And which object is similar to this ball? This circular shape. So that's why we have matched this ball with this circular shape. So what is this? This is the birthday cap. And this is the triangular shape. So this object is similar to this triangular shape. Okay. And this is the
Gift box.
gift box. And this box is similar to this square shape. That's why we have joined this to this square. Understood, students?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Good job you have done. Very nice. Now today's homework. You have to draw square, rectangle and triangle in your notebook. Same wise you have to draw and color the butterfly. Okay.
Yes.
In your notebook and color it.
Yes.
Yes. So enjoy your days with color. Have a nice day, students. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Miss,